कौन सा ये मीटिंग था? जनरल मीटिंग था। बहुत सारे टाइप्स ऑफ मीटिंग होते हैं, कंपनी लॉ में आप पढ़ोगे। Hello students, welcome back to Paathshala classes. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Paathshala classes, and today we are going to discuss a very significant appointment that has been made by the RBI. Now, what is that post that RBI has given and to whom? That we are going to discuss in the forthcoming slides. So, for knowing more, please stay connected and please do follow the lecture throughout. Let's go ahead. Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary has been reappointed. Please note, he has been reappointed, which means ये पहले भी रह चुके थे और उनकी फिर से रीअपॉइंटमेंट हुई है as a MD, that is the Managing Director and CEO of Axis Bank by the RBI. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Axis Bank has officially announced the reappointment of Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer for a new 3-year term. ये 3 साल तक बने रहेंगे with effect from, ये इनका टेन्योर शुरू हुआ है January 1st 2025 as in की next year में he is going to hold the post of this particular department by which has been given to him by the RBI, जो January 1st 2025 से इफेक्ट में आने वाला है। ये कहां तक चलेगा? ये December 31st 2027 तक इनका टेन्योर है, फिर टर्म खत्म हो जाएगा। The key points to be noted are the approval timeline. The reappointment was approved by shareholders during the bank's 30th annual general meeting in the month of July. Do remember, कौन सा ये मीटिंग था? जनरल मीटिंग था। बहुत सारे टाइप्स ऑफ मीटिंग होते हैं, कंपनी लॉ में आप पढ़ोगे। कंपनी लॉ में रहता ही कितने टाइप्स ऑफ जनरल मीटिंग है और बहुत सारे मीटिंग्स होते हैं। तो ये एक एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग था जो कि जुलाई मंथ में शेड्यूल हुआ था, जिसमें ये डिसाइड हुआ बाय द शेयर होल्डर्स कलेक्टिवली दैट ही मस्ट बी अपॉइंटेड एज द MD एंड CEO ऑफ एक्सिस बैंक। ये 30th एनुअल जनरल मीटिंग था। प्लीज डू नोट दिस फैक्ट। The final approval from the RBI was granted on October 24th 2024 with regard to the appointment of Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary as the new CEO and MD of RBI. Now, what are the roles and functions of Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary? Very first, Chaudhary has been leading the Axis Bank since 2019. As already said, उनका reappointment हुआ है following a successful 9-year tenure. Please do note, it's a 9-year tenure at HDFC Life. He has been instrumental in expanding the bank's retail banking services and enhancing its digital capabilities. Also that, with regard to the recent financial program for the month of September 2024 quarter, Axis Bank reported an 18% year-on-year increases in the net profit, totaling rupees 6,917.57 crores. Also that this growth is attributed to a rise in the core lending income due to strong credit demand. The net interest income for the quarter has reached to rupees 13,533 crores. You can imagine what is this data. ये डेटा नॉर्मल नहीं है, ये डेटा का आप देख सकते फिगर, इट्स अ ह्यूज फिगर reflecting a nearly 10% increase from rupees 12,315 crore in the same period last year to rupees 13,533 crore in the current year. As far as the stock market is concerned, स्टॉक मार्केट एक बहुत लोग डालते हैं, इसमें इन्वॉल्व भी होंगे स्टॉक मार्केट और ये सब क्रिप्टो करेंसी वगैरह में, तो यू ऑल वुड बी अवेयर ऑफ, थोड़ा सा आइडिया तो हो गई। As far as the stock market performance is concerned, as of the latest update, Axis Bank stock price is rupees 1089.35 showing an increase of, अब देखिए डेवलपमेंट तो हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं there is an increase of rupees 22, that is a figure which accounts to which accounts to 1.88 percentage, a data worth noting. As far as the market context is concerned, अगर हम मार्केट के टर्म्स में बात करें, इसका रेलेवेंस और सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है, क्या चेंज हुआ है, तो the bank's performance aligns with broader trends in the banking sector driven by increased demand for credit and financial services. तो डेवलपमेंट काफी हो चुका है, इनके 9 ईयर टर्म में इन्होंने काफी कुछ किया है, और आज के लिए बस इतना ही. You can stay updated with Paathshala classes. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel of Paathshala classes for regular updates. Also, you can subscribe to the Telegram channel of Paathshala classes for easy redressal to your doubts, as well as getting free access to your study materials for the easy and smooth preparation for your CLAT and AILET 2024. Thank you so much for connecting with us.